Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to solder copper wire. Heat the soldering iron to the proper temperature and tin the tip before touching the wire. Keep a damp sponge nearby to clean the tip between joints. Apply a small amount of flux to the exposed copper for better flow. Always work in a well-ventilated area and secure wires with a clamp or helping hands for steady, safe soldering. Inspect the wire ends and strip about 6 mm of insulation for a clean exposed conductor. Twist stranded copper to prevent stray strands and to make a neater joint. Slide the appropriate size heat shrink onto the wire before soldering so you can position it over the joint when finished. Tin both the wire and the soldering iron tip briefly to encourage proper wicking of solder for a reliable electrical connection. Position the pieces firmly and heat the joint, not the solder, using the iron tip to warm the copper evenly. Touch solder to the heated wire so it melts and flows into the joint, forming a smooth, shiny fillet that indicates a good connection. Remove heat and let the joint cool without disturbance to avoid a cold joint. Finally, slide heat shrink into place and apply heat to seal the connection for insulation and strain relief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.